Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, that is our festivals. Do you know, children, what is a festival? Yes, a festival is a day or time of the year when people have a holiday from work and celebrate some special event, often a religious event. Means it is a period of celebration for religious reasons. Festivals are an expressive way to celebrate glorious heritage, culture, and traditions. They are meant to rejoice special moments and emotions in our lives with our loved ones. So, festivals help us to keep connection with our roots, culture, origin. When a festival comes, all relatives gather in house and have lots of fun. This says that we should be united. So students, this lesson is about the different kinds of festivals which we celebrate in India. Let's have a look about our national festivals. Okay? So let's see. India is land of festivals. A festival is a time for fun, joy and celebration. Throughout the year, we celebrate many festivals. Some festivals are common to the whole country, while others are celebrated only in some states. Festivals are mainly of three kinds: national festivals, religious festivals, and harvesting festivals. Birthdays of famous people are also celebrated as national festival. We celebrate national days as festivals. We call them as national festivals. The three national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So let's see first about Independence Day. Independence Day is the national festival. It is celebrated on 15th of August. On 15th of August, India got freedom. Now, let's see about Republic Day. Republic Day is one of the national festival. It is celebrated on 26th January every year. On 26th January 1950, India became a republic and our constitution came into force. Republic Day parade starts from Rashtrapati Bhavan and ends at Red Fort. A grand parade is held at Vijay Chowk in New Delhi. The three armed forces, police, NCC cadets, folk dancers and school children take part in it. Children who win awards for bravery come riding on elephants as part of the parade. Tableaus from different states make the parade lively. The president takes the salute. Now children, let's see about the next national day, that is Gandhi Jayanti. The birthday of Gandhiji, who is the father of nation, is also marked as a national festival. Birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, that is 2nd October, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. On this day, people visit Gandhiji's Samadhi, Rajghat and place flowers as a mark of respect. On this day, we promise ourselves to follow Gandhiji's teaching of non-violence and honesty. I hope you have enjoyed. So keep learning. Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.